Hey everybody, this is Crazy here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing of Prototype 2, the Blackwatch Collector's Edition. There's the front. We got a nice picture of Sergeant James Heller, the new main character in the game. Got the side, nice Blackwatch logo up there, and it includes the Radnet Edition, which has an access code to unlock massive in-game content, package of over 55 events, challenges, and exclusive awards, a hardbound art book, some digital comic, the official Prototype 2 soundtrack CD, and a Colossal Mayhem voucher code, which includes the thermal barrack boomstick super weapon, force multiplier powers, and more. It also includes a merchandise store voucher, which gives you 20% discount on merchandise including hoodies, t-shirts, lithographs, and more. It is one player. Yes, sadly, they did not include multiplayer in this game. And it also has 720p. So without further ado, let's unbox this. Okay, that was useless. There we go. Oh yeah. So excited for this game. Let's take it out of this nice little sleeve. Oh, look at that. Blackwatch sensitive material classified. Let's open this up. Oh man, look at the beauty. Alright, we'll start over on this side. Sorry about this. I think this is a hardbound art book. Nice Prototype 2 inside there. Yes, I was right. This was the art book. Look at all this Sergeant James Heller. Look at all this badassness right here. Burned, military, test subject. I'll just give you a quick preview. And this shows you all the stuff, all the artwork that goes into the game, so you can really appreciate everything that these people do for you. Goliath, and then the Juggernaut, and monsters. One more page. Okay, so that's a quick preview of our book. Let's put that back in here. And we'll take this out. This is pretty big, holy crap. Look at how awesome that is. This guy's little pets back there. Take it out of the game. Prototype 2 Radnet Edition, which includes all that stuff, all that content that you saw on the back of here. I'll get to that later. First, let's see this. Prototype 2 classified. Oh, these are the voucher coupons. I gotta open this off camera. Nice. So as you can see, there's the 24-page digital comic. Here's the Colossal Mayhem DLC. And here's the 20% off voucher. Hopefully I did not show the codes. Here's the soundtrack. Nice looking cover there. Mercer versus Heller. Oh shit. I accidentally touched the freaking back of the CD. Sorry. Comes with all this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, I didn't really count all those. I don't know how many there are. Now let's get to this. What we're all here for. Gotta use my scissors. There we go. There it is. Look at this nice disc art. Heller with his blade. This awesome manual. Let's see what's in it. Nice, it's not that standard 3-page thing that you see nowadays. This one actually has full instructions on how to do it. See, table of contents and everything. Alright, let's put this all back in. Oh, it goes in here. I like this sleeve. It's a nice looking sleeve. I'm going to keep it in there. get this final one. Sorry about that. And there we go. Thanks everybody for watching. I can't wait to play this game. The first one was amazing. Hopefully this one will be better. And I'll see you later.